Hi, I would love to talk a little bit today about Adobe Reader DC, which is a free download for PCs and Macs. It is a piece of software that can help you view existing PDFs, but it can do a whole lot more in the world of digital materials for speech therapy. So what's different about it in terms of using it for speech therapy? Well, I want to show you how you can use it with interactive PDF documents, which are perfect to engage students and keep interest levels high and do a variety of different activities. So let's take a look at that. Now what you do is you just open the PDF wherever you have it saved. And most of the time it opens automatically in Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is free, like I said. You can just close this side menu. You don't need that. Then you can zoom it in or out, however you would like. And then you're ready to get started. So this PDF has a start button that takes me to the menu, which is also clickable. So each of these buttons I can click to go straight to the activity. So then each of those activities is interactive in some way digitally. So for this one, it has check boxes where I can click and it makes an X automatically. You can click back to the menu. Another component would be fillable text boxes. So here's an example of that, where you can just fill in, you can type in the answers using the keyboard. There's also the clickable buttons for answers. So on this page, there's a short paragraph, a picture, and then there's WH questions on each page. So if you click the wrong choice, like I'm clicking this right now, nothing happens. But if you click the right answer, it goes to the next page. You can also click next. Here's another example of just a fillable text box where you could have the student, or you could also do it, type the sentence to answer the question. So just to give a couple other examples of kind of what this might look like, here's some more of the fillable text boxes that you can type your answers in. You can type the answers for this one where you can put numbers to sequence it. Let's see here. There is more text boxes that you can fill in to write sentences. So there's a variety of different ways the student can interact with this PDF, including the check boxes, like I said, clickable buttons to answer questions, fillable text boxes, and it's all just within the PDF. So you don't have to do anything special or anything extra. Just open the PDF using your free Adobe Acrobat Reader. Okay, so I hope that was helpful in showing you Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, which again is free. I encourage you to find some interactive PDFs and give it a try. There's some free ones out there, so why not? You might as well try it. It works wonderfully for teletherapy because I can just pull it up on my computer and screen share that window so the student can see what I see on my screen. And then if your platform has the capability of having the student request control of that screen to take control of the mouse and be the one that's actually clicking the boxes and whatnot, that's perfect. If you are doing face-to-face therapy, you can just pull it up on your computer, sitting side by side with your student and interact with it that way. You can also put it on your smartboard if you have a larger group, a whole class, or just a smaller group of students, then you can do that easily. So again, I just encourage everyone to give it a try and see if you enjoy using those interactive PDFs on Adobe Acrobat Reader.